Friends, God bless you. Let us continue our study on evolution and Bible, and particularly nowadays we are looking at dinosaur. Today we will focus on did dinosaur and human coexisted or they live together? Well, according to evolution theory, the last dinosaur supposedly went extinct at least 50 million years ago, and then about 30 million years ago the human race came in existence. So there is a gap between dinosaur extinction and human came into the picture in evolution theory. However, dinosaurs and human bones have been found together. Not only that, dinosaurs and mammals' bones also found together. And humans and dinosaurs' footprints are found together. Well, all these things suggest that the gap of 20 million years between dinosaur and human is not really a reliable gap that evolution theory is talking about. Few years ago, there was a Tyrannosaurus rex bone found in Montana by an evolutionary team. And the leader of the team was Mary Schweitzer. Now, when she found the bone actually had a red blood cell in it. It has soft, stretchable tissues also. It had collagen, protein fragments, and things like that. Now, if the dinosaurs went extinct 50 million years ago, that bone cannot have the red blood cells. So since the presence of the red cells in the bone, it suggests that the bone is not that old. Moreover, in Australia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, there is a one consistent image in the ancient paintings we have found. And that painting or the image is a large-scale reptile creature which has 3 toes and a head like an alligator. Now, if this area are so away from each other, and there was no communication like we have today, and if these people has never seen dinosaurs, how they can draw in a different part of the world same creatures with the same detail? And we, based on the fossil records we have found, we know that now so many dinosaurs has 3 toes and 3 claws, which is exactly found in those carving and paintings. There is another thing in South America. There was a vase was found, and that vase has about 2,000 years old, and it has a dragon drawn on it. You remember that in 1841 only, the word dinosaur came in existence. So it was a dragon. And the dragon or the reptile that is on that vase had a curved neck, dermal spine down the back. Around the same time, there was a bronze sculpture found in China, which is also about the same age, about 2,000 years old. And they were these 2 places. One is a vase in South America and a bronze sculpture in China. They are separated by Pacific Ocean. However, the depiction in the sculpture is exactly very close to what we found on the South American vase. How they are depicting the same creature where they are thousands miles away from each other. That suggests the dinosaurs had lived among humans. They have seen with their own eyes. And what they saw, they have carved it or they have painted it. It would be not fair if I don't make some reference to Licoala Swamp. Licoala Swamp, that you will find in a People's Republic of Congo, which has so many swamps. And this particular swamp, Licoala, it's about 55,000 square miles, almost the size of the state of Florida. And it is known that 80% of this particular swamp area is unexplored today. And if you start looking at keep the tracking, that in early years, way back, according to William Bill Gibson in 1776 French missionaries, he has reported a finding of huge footprints in the ground. That cloud prints also had a feet circumference about 7 feet apart. Also, if you look at that 1913, a German explorer reported stories what the locals in that area call Mokhle Membe. And they are describing this creature, the locals, pygmies, describing this creature, it very close to resemble like sauropods, dinosaurs we know today, which is about 70 feet long and standing 12 to 15 feet tall. If you look at this history, what in this lake, Mokhle Membe, that locals call it, what it meaning? It means is one that stops the flow of the river. This creature is so big that it stops the flow of rivers. Or another meaning is one who eats at the tops of the palm tree. If you look into just the expeditions, I'm not going to read, but you can Google by yourself. In 1909, naturalist Carl Hagenbeck has reported in his autobiography about the large, huge creatures that is half elephant, half dragon in a Congo swamp. In 1913, Captain Freiherr von Stein was sent by German government to explore Cameroon. And he has written in his diary about this large creature, just like a dinosaur. In 1920, American expedition happened. A 32-man strong expedition was sent by Smithsonian Institute in Washington, D.C. And after 6 days, their guide found a large unexplained tracks along the bank of river. And they heard a very, very mysterious roars that resembles with no known animals. In 1932, another American cryptologist, Ivan Sanderson, traveled in Africa and he came across a tracks in the same area where there is no hippo present, but unknown tracks. In 1972, herpetologist James Powell, he went in that area, Congo area, swamp area, and he found so many testimonies. They have seen the creatures like dinosaurs. 1976, James Powell decided to go again, and he recorded a hearing of unknown creatures. 1980, engineer Herman Regsters and his wife, they photographed a creature of dinosaur. In 1980, Powell again went for a second expedition with cryptozoologist Roy McCall. And they also recorded the testimony of people who has seen the dinosaurs. 1981, another expedition organized by Richard Greenwald, Justin Wilkinson, and Congolese geologist Marceline Agnagna. Now, this Congolese geologist encountered these dinosaurs. 1983, there was another expedition. British expedition happened in 1985 and 86. And then Japanese expedition happened in 1987. British expedition happened in 92. All these expeditions where the scientist has found the fresh footprints, they have eyewitness of locals that has seen creatures like dinosaurs. We don't know. You make a judgment. 80% of the swamp area is still unexplored, just like another planet. We don't know what size of dinosaurs still exist, but it is undeniable that dinosaur and humans never coexisted. As written in the Bible, we will study again. We'll continue our study, and I'll point out the scriptures that humans and dinosaur coexisted as Bible predict, not like the evolution theory suggests that they were 20 million years apart. Stay tuned. God bless you.